Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 1 Series dipped beam bulb. First, gather your materials: a new H7 bulb, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition and lights are completely off before starting. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Oils can shorten its lifespan. To begin, turn your steering wheel to full lock, either left or right, depending on which bulb you are replacing. This provides crucial access to the wheel arch liner. Next, locate the small access panel within the wheel arch. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the two retaining clips holding this panel in place. Once the clips are removed, carefully pull the access panel away. Now, locate the round cover on the back of the headlight unit. Turn this cover approximately 45 degrees counterclockwise to remove it. Gently unclip the electrical connector from the rear of the old bulb. Then, release the metal retaining clip or twist the bulb holder to carefully extract the faulty bulb. Insert your new H7 bulb, making sure its small alignment tab points upwards for correct seating. Finally, reconnect the electrical plug and secure the bulb. With the new bulb in place, replace the round headlight unit cover, turning it 45 degrees clockwise until it's secure. Next, carefully reinsert the wheel arch access panel, ensuring its lower tabs slot into place before pushing it fully in. Reattach the two retaining clips to secure the panel. Finally, turn on your vehicle's ignition and switch on the lights to confirm your new dipped beam bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.